everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Zone. I'm Sophia, and today I'm here with Omar.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're joining us again. Today's episode is a special one. We're giving you a simple, natural, daily English conversation. The kind of talk you hear every day in a real life.
Yes, this episode is great for listening practice, learning everyday vocabulary, and improving your speaking skills. So, let's start our daily conversation. Today's topic is a normal day, from morning to evening. Sunrise conversation.
Good morning, Sophia. How are you today?
Good morning, Omar. I'm doing well. A little sleepy, but feeling good. How about you?
I'm good too. I woke up early today, around 6 a.m. I made some coffee and went for a short walk.
Wow, that sounds nice. I woke up at 7. I drank some water, stretched a little, and made breakfast.
What did you eat for breakfast?
Just something simple, toast with butter and a banana. What about you?
I had eggs and some fruit. I try to eat something healthy in the morning. It gives me energy for the day.
That's a great habit. Mornings set the tone for the whole day.
Walking and talking about daily routine. So, Sophia, what's your usual morning routine?
Well, after breakfast, I check my messages, plan my day, and then I start working on podcast preparation. What about you?
I usually read for 10 minutes, reply to emails, and then I start recording or studying. I like having a quiet and focused morning.
That's smart. Many English learners could also use the morning to practice English. Even 5 minutes helps.
Yes, listen to a podcast, read a short article, or practice speaking in front of the mirror.
City sounding midday conversation. Let's move to lunchtime. Omar, what do you usually do around noon?
Around 1 or 2 p.m., I take a break. I stretch, drink water, and eat lunch. I try not to work while eating. Just enjoy the moment.
Same here. I usually make something quick, like a salad or soup. Then I like to take a short walk if the weather is nice.
Do you listen to anything when you walk?
Sometimes music, but often I listen to English learners' questions or messages. It gives me ideas for our podcast.
Oh, that's great. And by the way, everyone listening, walking while listening to English is an amazing practice. Your brain becomes more active.
Afternoon conversation. Omar, how does your afternoon usually go?
In the afternoon, I usually do my editing, writing notes, or planning new episodes. I also try to study something new every day. Sometimes vocabulary, sometimes reading.
Nice. I usually do my creative work in the afternoon too. That's when I feel the most focused. Do you ever get tired?
Of course, when I feel tired, I take a short break. Maybe drink tea or listen to calming music.
Breaks are important. English learners, remember this. Don't study for too long without resting. Short breaks help your brain learn better. Evening conversation. So let's talk about evenings now. Omar, what's your usual evening like?
Evenings are my relaxed time. I cook dinner, watch a show, or talk with family. Sometimes I review what I learned that day.
That's good. I usually cook something simple, clean up a little, and then I watch something in English, maybe a movie or a YouTube video.
That's a perfect way to practice English. Watching something you enjoy helps you learn naturally.
Yes, and sometimes I speak out loud while watching. I repeat sentences, practice pronunciation, or imitate expressions.
Night conversation. Before bed, I like to read for 5 minutes. It relaxes me. What about you?
I do the same. Reading at night helps my mind slow down. Then I think about the good things that happen during the day.
That's a great habit. A positive mind helps with learning too.
So, this was our natural daily English conversation from morning to night.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned new phrases you can use every day.
Remember, the more you listen to English, the more comfortable and confident you become.
Yes, practice a little every day. Speak, listen, repeat, and enjoy the process.
Thank you for joining us today on English Podcast Zone.
I'm Omar.
And I'm Sophia. Keep learning, stay positive, and we'll see you in the next episode.